Hi friends, so I have a special process video to do today. We are going to be having a hop to celebrate Jennifer Gagney's coming up with 1,000 subbies on YouTube, which is a great accomplishment. It is so awesome. She has that many people following her, and really they should because she is so talented. So in this hop, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be scrap lifting any of her layouts. And this is the one I am going to choose. And I actually screenshotted this from her YouTube channel because I thought that would be the most fun and easy way to see what she's been up to. Now hers features kind of a grid with 4 places. There is a bunch of text going down this way, and she has an adorable kitty. And look at how soft and beautiful her color palette is. Now, coincidentally, one of my subbies sent me this sketch recently to go ahead and use in one of my videos. And she also suggested I start doing more masculine videos or scrapbooking layouts. And I just did a couple. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll show you my topic, which is decidedly floral. Now, the products I'm going to use, this is a Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Garden District kit. I got it from ScrapRoom. It's one of their DoubleShot kits for May 2020. So these papers are gorgeous. You see this print, but I don't know if you can see on camera. There's like newsprint behind it. So you get kind of this vintage textural thing as well as a floral. We've got a great gingham on this side. This looks like an advertisement with florals on it as well. This side has these gorgeous butterflies. I saw all these baby butterflies, itty bitty ones today in my lilac bushes. And then this paper right here, it's the bee's knees. It is so gorgeous. I don't even know what to tell you. So pretty. So I have that. And also this kit, so you know, comes with a piece of basil in Lagoon, and which is textured. And then there's 2 pieces of a bright white textured cardstock. Maybe basil, I don't know. Along with that, we get the 6x12 chipboard stickers, the Simple Vintage Garden District chipboard stickers, and these have like an off-white finish. All right, so the photos I'm going to use, I actually took today. These are 3 different peonies bushes. Let me see which way this goes from the way my bricks are. Like this. 3 different peonies bushes I have on the side of my house. I have like a peonies garden. So there's deep pink, medium pink, light pink, and white. And they bloom like, I don't know, a few days apart from each other. And it's just gorgeous. Now, this collection is a little bit more subdued than these pictures, but I'm going to go with it because it is floral. It's new, so I want to use it. And I think it'll really work. The photos are just going to pop right off of it, and it's going to be gorgeous. So I'm going to do this. Now, I will also make sure to leave links down below for all the other people who are a part of this hop. And also, if you go to Jen's channel today, she is going to be doing a giveaway on her channel. So you've got to get in on that. How fun is that? So I'm going to get scrapping. The next part I'll do is some voiceover bits so I can watch some TV over there. My son got me this beautiful, gigantic monitor for while I scrap and to do different things with my videos. And it's awesome. It's right there on my desk. So I'm going to enjoy that. I'm going to scrap and bring you along with me. Hey, my friends, I thought I'd check in and show you what I decided to do so far. Now, in the sketch, it looks like she had a border paper around. Hers was actually black, and she used white on top. So I'm going to use this really gorgeous color here. And I did gut it because, yeah, why wouldn't you? And I'm going to go ahead and attach it here. Then I'm going to go ahead and get 4 squares worth of, let's see, where is the title piece? All right, so the title piece would kind of end up here, which is kind of cool over this. Actually, it really doesn't matter. I just kind of like the background being newsprinty. So I'm going to get my title piece here, I think. Does this go like this? This goes like this. Okay, I want to make sure everybody is upright. All right. So, do I want my title here? I usually don't do a title up there. I might change my title up there. We're going to see how it goes. Not sure. So I'm going to get some squares lined up, and I'm going to try to use a bunch of my kit. Now, the one thing I don't want to do is use this, because I think I'm going to fussy cut this out and I'll end up using it on something else. It is just so darned pretty that I do not want to, I wouldn't say waste it, but I do really want to get another layout out of it because it's stunning. I mean, it's, yeah, just beyond stunning. This is pretty, but holy moly, that's gorgeous. So I'm going to concentrate on the paper that I have. The paper I have left, I should say, is this one right here. And I'm going to cut it up and layer it up a little bit. And I'll be back in a minute. All right, friends. So what I've done so far is I did mat my 3 photos. And I matted them all on this pink gingham, right? Well, it's kind of like a peachy pink blush color gingham. And then I matted these 2 on that gorgeous, gorgeous floral, this paper right here. And at that point, I wasn't gonna have enough pattern paper to mat this one on. So I went ahead and just used that gutted out piece of this, I think it's called Avalanche cardstock. So now I want to do my little title block. And I don't have any square pieces left. So I thought I would just go ahead and come up with a non-square title block. And then is the fun part. And by fun part, I mean the part where I just get to decorate everything. Let me go ahead and just, I don't know why I want to square this up. Now, in Jennifer's layout that I'm scrap lifting, hers isn't totally squared, but I decided I wanted to go pretty grid-like with this. Now this one, this block right here is not going to be what we would be going with, you know, calling grid-like, because I am breaking it up due to the fact that, yeah, I just didn't, yeah, like I said, I couldn't do squares. But I did decide to square it off. I haven't decided what my title is going to be yet. Oh, and this is a scrapbook adhesives by 3L, the Easy Runner Grand. I keep going between all of these different runners. I also have an ATG. All right, so let's make sure that this is facing upright. All right, so I have a nice little pattern paper block. All right, I'm gonna figure out where my, oh, and I know I'm getting a glare right there. The only way I can get rid of it, the way my light is attacking me, it's really dark out where I live right now, is gonna give me a glare. Now, the only embellishments I have for this collection is this piece right here. So I'll probably grab some goodies, you know, from Stash and all that, but these are chipboards. So I'm gonna be able to get a really nice bit of dimension. So I'm gonna get all my goodies together and I'll come right back. All right, so I'm in the middle of the fun part. I grabbed these thickers and they are called Cedar. They're by American Crafts and they're foam letter stickers. I grabbed these because I wanted to have another font in here. So it's gonna, my title will just be Peony Beauty. Pretty much because I had either Love This or Beauty that I could use. And now I'm gonna have this situation where I can't unpeel it. There we go. You get the little sticker part off of this. And right now I just have a ton of chipboard to work in. So I'm going to get some of that down. Now I also went ahead and pulled, I have these Heidi Swapp foil labels. So I have a little gold, but it's also off-white. These are white, like kind of like travel mini words. So I'm gonna see what I can use from there. But let's go ahead and try to find some kind of a cute label we can stick on every one of them. Maybe with, you know, gold being the unifying kind of pretty thing. Now, also what I did from the chipboard is I figured I would use all of the butterflies up. You know, I try to, you know, repeat icons, elements, whatever you want to call it on things. Look at how gorgeous that is. I try to do that. So I thought that would be a nice way to work with that. That looks evenish. And oh, and look at these cute little butterflies. This one's kind of like a limey green. It's so cute. So I thought maybe if I get a label on each of the clusters and all that kind of thing, and then start building up, because yes, I know I have a lot of pattern and I have a lot of color, but I'm a more is more kind of girl. I am. I can admit it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pop these in areas and then maybe have the butterflies sit on top of them. That would be cool. This one has a little heart on it, so I feel like that would be fun to stick in right here and have the heart stick out. So just giving the butterflies a nice little place to rest as they come along. And I am apparently putting these right between the two layers, between the pink and the aqua. Didn't really know why, but that's what's happening. Let's see, here's another one. This is one of these great ways to use up, like these are some leftover labels from another kit. So this is a really fun way to be able to use them and also unify something. But look at how nice that looks, just to have a little bit of gold in there. I'm gonna bring it a little bit more center, and sorry again about that. I am not scrapbooking in my normal space. So things are just a little wonky. Now this is a lot busier of a little cluster area over here that I have. So I'm going to maybe try for a couple that are just a little bit more subdued, maybe. So I used that one. I don't have an exact duplicate. And I wanted to put this one down here. There we go. So I have a spot for all of my little butterflies to go. And I did say that these are the Heidi Swap foil labels. And is that enough to make me happy? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these butterflies down and try to find some enamel dots that match. Be right back. So yesterday at Tuesday morning, I did pick up these Paige Evans Pick Me Up little puffy stickers. And this girl, like my very favorite thing is puffy. So let's see what little puffy goodies we can get on here. I'm making myself a little mess on the side. So yeah, these are the Paige Evans for Pink Paisley Pick Me Up stickers. Now I have tons of butterflies on, so I'm not gonna worry about that too much. But maybe, do you see how cute these little flowers are? I think the colors of these flowers match really well. So maybe I can do bits of them here and there around the butterflies, kind of like they are enamel dots kind of things. So let's see, they're adorable. Putting them, we'll see how many I have. So I'm just sprinkling them while I can. So there's like one on each. And I wouldn't have enough to do more than that. So let's see for the other little icons. They are cute. So I have one. I have a cute little button. I do like this little hello word. Kind of like that's a cluster kind of idea. Although I do like the word hello. And I know that it's like supposed to be like a thing for card makers that you can, you know, do more that, you know, says hello. I think I'm going to keep everything on the inside. Let's see if there's any other little pieces that aren't going to be distracting. I don't want to distract. Let's see. That's close enough to this color. Hope these stick on nice. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll attach them on better after this. It's another little floral piece. You know, that might be too, nah, matches the photo. So I have that. Is that about it? Is that it? I think that's it, but I did get some puffies on there, which is always a win. And let's see if there's anything, I was thinking in here, there may be some pieces that I can use as well. So let me go through the sticker book so that this isn't the world's longest thing. I don't really feel stars for this. Some of these colors are just, you know, really nice and deeply saturated. So these are a bit of an off-white color, and I think I like them. Well, so are these. Let me see what's in here first. All right, I'm gonna find some words and put them on, and I'll show you what I've done. Hold on. All righty, so let me show you what I just did. I did find some words that work. So I have discover, here and now, beautiful, lovely, soak up the sun, and what a view. So that works for flowery kind of things. Then I went into my bins of happiness, which is what I call my enamel dots and sequins. And I found these. These are by Jelly Bean Soup, and it just says adhesive sequins in pink. So I thought, why don't I go ahead and continue this idea of sprinkling things around each of just like the florally clusters. So I'm gonna put one each of these beautiful pink sequins in. And then I have these pearls. They're from Miss Sparkle & Company, which I believe is a Joann's line. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and get some pearls here and there. Uh-oh, I think I lost the sticky bit. Some pearls on these different pieces. Because, you know, the pearl thing seems to work for me because they are, you know, I just, do I like that right across from that? No, I don't. You know, because I'm working with kind of this off-white color. So let me go ahead and put that one over there as well. And then, see, I don't want to have this one look like it's missing out. Maybe he needs a pink one too. And we have to be nice to all of them, right? To all of our little friends. All right, so that looks pretty. So I have a pearl and a pink thing. Let me look for just one basic enamel dot. And then, I mean, look at how ridiculous this bin of enamel dots are. All right, let me see if there's just one little set of something that's not too bright. Do I want something bright? I'll never find that exact aqua. I see actually two things in a nice aqua, but this will do. I have some. I think I'll just use these itty bitty little ones because I don't want the aqua to be the absolute star of the show. I like it, but it's kind of bold. Here we go. I have enough to get aqua here and there. So this will complete my layout. I think I'll go ahead in gray and put 2020. I use a Stabilo 0.88, fine 0.4, I don't know. Pen, where was that? Where was it that I just wanted to put it on it? You were here with me. Oh, right here. And I'll just put 2020 right here on this label that's available. And that's it. I'll take a picture and load this up and share it with you. But here is a bit more of a close-up. I love this. It's not what I thought I would come up with, but I'm so happy with it. Hope you like it too, and I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Oh, and like I said, Jen will have a giveaway going on her channel, and go ahead and look at the links below to hop along today. Bye-bye, friends.